Hey there, React enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how websites like Facebook, Instagram, or Netflix are built? How do they manage to create such dynamic, interactive, and reusable interfaces? What if I told you there's a secret ingredient that makes it all possible? Welcome to the world of React components. What are components? Imagine you're building a Lego castle. Would you build it as one giant piece, or would you break it down into smaller, reusable blocks? That's exactly what components are in React. Components are the building blocks of your React application. They let you break your UI into independent, reusable pieces. Each piece manages its own logic, style, and functionality. But wait, why is this so powerful? Think about it. What if you could create a button once and reuse it everywhere? What if you could build a nav bar and use it across multiple pages? What if you could update one piece of your app without breaking the rest? That's the magic of components. Here's a challenge for you. Look at any website right now. Identify the different parts of the page: the header, the sidebar, the footer, the buttons, the cards. Now ask yourself, could each of these be a component? Spoiler alert, yes. Drop a comment below. What's the first component you would build? A button? A card? A navbar? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more React tutorials. Let's code the future, one component at a time.